The 13-inch MacBook Pro is undoubtedly one of the best portable laptops that you can get your hands on. And if you own one, you might want to check out these awesome accessories to enhance your user experience even better.
Welcome to Techfluencer, where we test and review countless tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our tech expert team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends and advancements. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description.
If you own the latest M2 MacBook Pro or any MacBook device in general, then at this point, you definitely know the importance of a protective sleeve, because nobody wants to get a scratch on that beautiful exterior. So check out the Confiable Laptop Sleeve. It's a beautiful looking leatherette protective sleeve for your precious 13-inch MacBook Pro, which will keep your device well protected from any sort of danger. And to keep it even safer and more secure, this protective sleeve also includes a magnetic closure. So check out the sleek protective sleeve if you want to keep your device clean and scratch-free. Next up, we have the Rotate laptop stand for your 13-inch MacBook Pro. The entire stand comes with a foldable design, which makes it easier to carry along with your MacBook Pro. Not to mention the solid aluminum alloy body on the stand is just as sturdy as it looks, and it can take care of any 13-inch laptop of up to 20 pounds max weight. On top of that, it also includes rubber pads at the top and bottom for a strong grip. Additionally, you will also get 3 adjustable buttons, which allows you to raise the height of the stand of maximum of 18-inch to your comfort level. And the hollowed-out panel on the surface holder is really helpful, as it provides proper heat dissipation from your MacBook Pro. So don't forget to take a look at this stand if you're looking for an additional way to place your MacBook Pro. Now, if you're looking for a perfect compatible mouse, then you should check out the MX Master 3S. It's super quiet, and this might be one of the best productivity mice you will come across on the market. The clicking noise on this mouse is barely audible, and with a single swing, this mouse can scroll up to 1,000 lines per second. Additionally, this mouse includes a total of 8 buttons and a horizontal scroll wheel for the thumb, making it easier for the user. So if you're looking for a super quiet mouse for your MacBook Pro, then this is definitely a great choice to consider. And now that you got the perfect mouse, it's time you take a look at this amazing low-profile Mechanica keyboard by Exa. It's a 65% mechanical keyboard with impressive RGB backlit switches and a lighting grid underneath the keys, which looks absolutely fantastic, by the way. To cycle through different lighting effects, all you need to do is press the functional key and press the dedicated switches on your right. Additionally, it also includes a volume slider on the left and 2 dedicated switches on the right panel to switch between Windows and Mac, as well as wireless and wired modes. And to deliver a smooth typing experience, it's using the Gateron red switches with satisfying keystrokes. So if you want to experience the feeling of a mechanical keyboard on your MacBook Pro 13, then this keyboard is a fantastic choice. Now, do you know what's better than working with one screen on the MacBook? 3 screens. That's right, this portable dual monitor expands your MacBook's limited display by providing you with more screen real estate to work with. The screens can be rotated at 207-degree angles, while the telescopic stand provides a good structural support to the entire setup. And if you are concerned about whether it will fit your 13-inch MacBook or not, you can stay rest assured, as it supports screen from 13 inches to all the way up to 16 inches at max. The dual 1080p IPS screens are decent in quality and will get the job done with day-to-day productive tasks such as light photo and video editing. While the MacBook Pro 13 already comes with a power adapter of its own, you might want to check out this USB-C charger from Ugreen, which can power up a handful of devices simultaneously. This versatile charger has a total of 4 ports, including 3 USB-C and a USB-A port with a maximum power output of 100 watts. So whether it's your MacBook, iPad, or iPhone, you can power up to 4 devices simultaneously. It takes about 2 hours to completely juice up a MacBook Pro, which is also quite admirable. As for the safety and heating issues, the high-quality IC components inside of it does an amazing job of managing the thermal level and keeping the charger and your devices safe. Now, if you ever run out of storage while working on your 13-inch MacBook Pro, then you might want to invest in additional storage. This is Samsung T7 SSD with up to 2 TB capacity, which has more than enough space to store all your necessary files. T7 Shield comes in a very compact and rugged tough exterior, which provides up to 2 meters of drop resistance, including water and dust resistance as well. Besides the M2 MacBook Pro itself, this SSD is also compatible with a wide range of devices, such as PCs, Macs, Androids, and many more. So when it comes to using additional storage for your needs, T7 Touch is currently one of the best portable SSD available on the market. And this was all of our recommendations for MacBook Pro 13 accessories. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below to let us know what you think. And if you want to see more videos like this on your feed, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon.